Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook shabu shabu beef. First, you will need a simmering pot of flavorful broth, ideally a dashi or kombu base. Add your preferred vegetables to the pot, such as napa cabbage, shiitake mushrooms, and some sliced carrots, allowing them to soften slightly. Keep the broth at a steady, gentle simmer, which is crucial for perfectly cooking the thinly sliced meat. This ensures your meal begins with a delicious foundation. For authentic shabu shabu, choose well-marbled beef cuts like ribeye or sirloin, which offer exceptional flavor and tenderness. The key is to have the beef sliced incredibly thin, ideally under 1/8 of an inch. You can often ask your butcher for shabu shabu cut. Arrange these delicate slices attractively on a platter, keeping them chilled until the moment you dip them into the hot broth. This careful preparation truly enhances the experience. Now for the fun part, mastering the dip. Using your chopsticks, pick up a single, thin slice of beef, then gently swish it through the hot, simmering broth. Watch carefully as the meat quickly changes color, indicating it is cooking. For optimal tenderness, typically 10 to 15 seconds is all you need before removing it from the broth. This quick cooking method ensures each bite is incredibly tender and flavorful. Dipping sauces are essential for shabu shabu, elevating the flavors of the cooked beef. A classic ponzu sauce, featuring soy sauce and citrus, offers a bright, tangy counterpoint. You should also provide a rich, creamy sesame sauce or gomadair, which adds a nutty depth. Feel free to include extras like a dash of chili oil or some grated daikon radish for a personalized touch, enhancing your culinary adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.